Find the surface area of a square pyramid with a base length of 22 centimeters and a height of 14 centimeters. So you're looking at a pyramid. I know that you guys so love my drawings. Okay, decent pyramid, but not great. Okay, so you've got a pyramid. The base down here, the square, is 22 centimeters by 22 centimeters. Okay, then you've got 4 triangles that are the same on top. So I've got a triangle that's 22, and then I've got a height in the middle that's 14. Now, that height in the middle doesn't tell us what the height of the triangle is. So we're going to have to do some work to find that. The reason that is because it shows us the height in the middle. We need to figure out what that triangle is. And what that is from the height across the bottom and then slanted with the side. So we know that this side is 14. The part that is part of the base across through there, that is half the length of that square. So half of 22 is 11. And we're going to find out what that hypotenuse is using that Pythagorean theorem. So we've got 11 squared plus 14 squared equals something else squared. So 11 squared is 121. 14 squared is 196. Then we add those together and we get 317. So now to get rid of that squared, we have to take the square root of both. So that would be, I'm going to just take the square root of 317 just to get us a roundabout number. So the square root of 317 is about 17.8. So now I can figure out the surface area or the amount of area it would take to cover this pyramid with some wrapping paper or something like that. Okay, so I'm going to find the area of the base, which is the square, by saying 22 times 22. And that is 484 centimeters squared. Now I'm going to go up and I'm going to look at my triangle. And I know that the area of my triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. So I'm going to multiply 1/2 times 17.8 times 22. And I get that each triangle is 195 8/10 centimeters squared. Now, go back to look at our initial pyramid. Let me erase some of this. There we go. So that it's a little easier to look at. We have this triangle. We've got the back triangle. We've got this side. And we've got the front. So we have 4 of these. So we're going to say 4 times 195.8 And we get 783.2. And we're going to add that to the 484 from the square. And that will tell us the total number of centimeters squared of wrapping paper or paint or whatever you want to do to cover this entire square pyramid. So it would take 1,267 and 2/10 to cover that entire pyramid.